Who are you fucking people?
Make me some Kool-Aid, please. I need some Kool-Aid.
He needs Kool-Aid.
More brains. More brains.
Please.
What's up? How's it going, man? Love the hair. You got a problem, mister?
More brains. Oh my, oh dear.
Yeah, we got some rare blend. Yeah, rare blend.
Breed, rare breed.
It's a blend, though.
It's the same as all other wild turkey, except they put a different label on it.
No, that's not true. That's not true. It's 108 proof.
Oh,
And it's
really?
right out of the barrel. It hasn't touched water.
Jesus.
That's the whole point.
I need a glass.
Coke.
Really drunk, we keep him really drunk. But the last dome he had was on
Friday.
Sunday, or Saturday.
Saturday. Today's Monday.
That was only 20 milligrams. The
I had
real
a 20
dose that he got was on
I had
Friday.
a 20 milligram drop on Saturday.
By the time he wakes up tomorrow, he's completely off the shit. All he has to deal with is the deep psychological effects.
Yeah. Which I'll deal with by being completely drunk.
Ah, this is a working theory.
What a plan.
We'll see what happens.
This is a work in progress.
There's another.
The ice is for network programming.
Yeah.
All your kids?